Click on the link below to get price. Introducing the Industrial Embroidery Machine, designed for those who are passionate about textile arts, particularly rug tufting. This versatile tool is engineered to accommodate a range of crafting needs, featuring both cut pile and loop pile options. It stands out in the realm of textile machinery for its robust build and user-friendly design, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned artisans alike. At first glance, the machine presents a sturdy construction, which is essential for handling various fabric types. Its design incorporates a motor that provides consistent power, allowing users to create intricate designs with ease. The adjustable settings enhance its functionality by enabling crafters to switch between cut pile and loop pile tufting, thus expanding the creative possibilities. This dual capability is particularly beneficial for those who wish to experiment with different textures in their projects. One of the notable features of this embroidery machine is its adjustable tufting speed, allowing users to tailor their crafting pace according to their comfort level and project requirements. This aspect can be particularly advantageous for intricate designs, where precision is key. Furthermore, the machine includes a range of needle sizes, accommodating various yarn thicknesses, which enhances its versatility even further. Using the Industrial Embroidery Machine is generally straightforward. After familiarizing oneself with the user manual, setting it up is a manageable task. The machine's intuitive controls make it easy to switch between functions. For instance, when transitioning from loop pile to cut pile, users simply adjust the settings without the need for extensive recalibration. This seamless operation contributes significantly to the overall user experience, allowing crafters to focus on their creative endeavors. In conclusion, the Industrial Embroidery Machine with rug tufting gun functionality offers a blend of durability and versatility, making it a valuable addition to any textile artist's toolkit. With its ability to produce both cut and loop piles, adjustable speed, and user-friendly design, this machine opens up a world of possibilities for crafting unique rugs and textile projects. Whether you are just starting your crafting journey or looking to expand your existing skills, this machine provides a reliable option for your creative needs.